Next, fire safety teams are stepping into local schools as part of urgent work to address a growing number of deliberate rubbish and grassland fires in South Tyneside. The latest meeting of the Hebburn Community Area Forum heard there were 20 such incidents across the area in April, nearly double the figure from the same month last year. All were classed as secondary fires, with several involving trees, bins and scrubland. Tyne Wear Fire and Rescue Service says it's a pattern echoed across the region. The council says it's now working with schools, police and the fire service through its community safety partnership to tackle the issue through education and prevention. A council decision to demolish Heburn's last remaining residential tower block is said to be examined by a scrutiny committee. South Tyneside's cabinet had voted unanimously to rehouse residents from Durham Courts, which is home to more than 90 people aged over 55. Councillors cited complex factors including finances and tenant needs. But opposition members say the plan deserves fuller accountability, and a valid call-in request has now triggered a formal review. That meeting will take place this week. In the meantime, the decision cannot be implemented. Labour says its priority is public transparency, and the committee will now decide whether to refer the matter back. Families in the North East are under huge pressure due to a lack of affordable and accessible childcare, according to a major new report. The study by Health Equity North and 2 universities highlights emotional strain, financial cutbacks and job insecurity among parents. Researchers also point to high stress levels within the sector, with staffing pressures and low pay worsening local provision. A pilot childcare grant is currently being trialled in County Durham, funded by the North East Mayor. That initiative could expand across the region later this year. And work has started to restore the natural flow of the River Breamish in Northumberland. A 1-kilometre section is being diverted back into its historic meanders near Wooler as part of a long-term biodiversity project. Teams are installing wetlands, silt traps and woody dams to tackle flood risk and boost wildlife. The 5-year scheme is co-funded by the EU and led locally by the Environment Agency and Tweed Forum. The Breamish restoration began late last week and is expected to take around 8 to 10 weeks, with full project completion scheduled for December 2026.